Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to edit videos. If you're new at this stuff and you want to edit videos, if you want to edit your videos, obviously you would go to video editing on this, and on the top left you'll see folders. Now what you want to do is you want to go to this top thing next to these options here under view and select, of course. You want to highlight OneDrive slash documents slash or whatever's there. You want to backspace and enter. Then you'll see the other folders. Now you'll see here there's videos. Now here are my videos, of course. I will drag my video. You will want to drag your video right there, and there, bada bing, bada boom, there's your video. Now as you can see, there's an ending line here. That means it'll be the end of the video. That's the limit. Now what you want to do is you want to drag your blue thing on this top line here to the end of the video. And then what you want to do next is on your arrow keys, you want to go right or left to the final frame of your video. And what that does is that it just lets you go to the end so your viewers don't see this at the end of your video instead of this. You want them to see this. Now, you'll see at the bottom here 546, you'll see 546. What you want to do is you want to type in here that number down here. So let's type it in, 546. Boom. That's the end of the video. Now, I'll teach you how to zoom in and out and drag your thing. Now, what you want to do is you want to scroll button up, down, zoom in and out, of course. And then what you want to do to drag it, you hold down the scroll button unless your mouse doesn't let you be able to do that. I have no idea. But what you want to do is that when you're editing your video, of course, you want your viewers to be happy. Now, if you want to cut your video, like for example, if you're grinding gravel or sand in Minecraft, and you just want to skip all that video, you want to press K, and that'll let you cut your video.
1 2 1 2. This is the test recording for the video.
Now, if you want to, at the end of the grinding, you want to cut it again with K on your keyboard, and then you want to highlight that middle part that you have cut, and you want to delete it. Now, if you have somehow deleted your thing and you don't know how, and you're panicking, and you have to restart your Blender all over again, you want to hold Ctrl Z if you want to just quickly undo what you did, or I can't say words, what you have done. And bada bing, bada boom. Now, if you want to add text, you go to add and then text. Now, as you can see, this is very small, doesn't have much thing, but if you click the right or the left darker bar, you can drag it to the length of how long your video is going to stay on. Like for example, you'll see right there at the bottom, you can't really see it very well, but there's a letter white that says text. But okay, there's a thing that says text at the bottom there. Hold on, I'll zoom in. Text right there. And if you want to move your text, of course, you want to move it, you can go to size to make it bigger, and you can Y to move it around, and X to move it to side, and then the thing, I'll tell you the wrap width later. But if you wanna, let's say just do a nice little text. Yeah, that's perfect. That is amazing. That is amazing. Right there. That is perfect. Okay. Now what you want to do, now you got multiple words. Wrap width only works with multiple words because of course it does this. It stacks them however you like, and and then yeah. Sorry, I meant to say yeah. I'm gonna move it up because why not? And also you'll see that there's a option here that says shadow. You definitely want to click shadow if you would like, and you want to change it to whatever color you'd like. Now you can continue on with the video.
This is the test recording for the video.
So now that we've got our video text here, you would want to save your video after you're done with it. By the way, just a little cut here. This is pretty much all I know, so don't bully me I don't know much about Blender, so yeah. Anyway, when you're done with your video, you're done editing it, you wanna go to render here. You wanna go to render animation. But wait, before you do that, if you have a computer like mine, or I don't know how this works, but what you wanna do is you wanna scroll down here until you see file format PNG. If it's automatically set to that, you wanna change it to FFmpeg video. When you do that, I don't know what that does, but you're good to go when that happens. Then you wanna render animation. I'm not gonna do it because I'm not really gonna render this, but anyway, yeah, that's how you edit a video. Well, that's all I know how to edit a video. If you want to do text and stuff, I don't know how to make it diagonal. It's kind of hard. I don't know why. Anyway, that's how you make a video, guys. Please make sure to subscribe and leave a like, your choice, if you'd like. Also, please leave some comments down below. And also, check out my brother's channel. He does some good videos. Yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.